Hello guys, welcome to my next video right now that I'm going to show you again about how to begin English speaking. You're going to wondering about that because why we need to learn about it if we want to speak English. So in here just some text that I'm going to show you about the way that you should begin when you are going to learn English for speaking. So for my first video, I just showed you already about what is the consonant and what is that vowel. So you have to be seriously understand about it or know about the letter from A to Z in English phonics. So in here, I'm going to show you again the second video that you should learn all of this when you are begin to learn English for speaking. As you know, right? Consonant and vowel, it's just a letter. So from one consonant to another consonant, it's just still a letter. Example, just like B or T. It's just a letter. So that's why, do you know how to pronounce that, or can we get what that means? It's nothing. So it's just a letter. So in here, to get a word that we can say, like, to know a word how that's from, it means they're going to have a consonant with the vowel. Okay, a consonant with the vowel. So in here, you know already about the consonant and you know already about the vowel. So consonant and vowel, if they are going to class together, it's going to get a word. This is, we're going to say consonant plus vowel equal to word. So that again. For example, we're going to say like consonant with the letter C, and the vowel letter A, and the consonant is T. So we're going to say like cat. So it's a word. Alright? Yeah. And we have a second one to show a word to word. What is that? It's going to be a sentence. Right? Yeah. So from one word to another word is going to be a sentence. Alright? For example, I love cat. This is a sentence. Alright? This is a sentence. I love cat. So to make that sentence, it's going to start from word to another word that's going to plus together that make it a sentence. And the last one that we are going to know too by the sentence plus the sentence. So what is that? It's going to be a paragraph. Alright? So a sentence plus a sentence is going to be a paragraph. So you have to be seriously get to know about the process of making that. So you will learn again and again, and you will get success as you wish. Alright? So a paragraph that you start from the sentence to another sentence to another sentence. This is we call paragraph. Do you get it, everyone? And we are going to get all of this. I mean, you have to know about seriously with all of this to make sure that you are ready to learn the language that you would like to learn. And all of the language that you are going to learn, the process is this step. So, the first one, I'm showing you already about the consonant and vowel. And the second one right now, I'm going to show you the progress of getting word, getting sentence, getting paragraph. So, why do you need to learn like that? It is seriously going to know about English speaking? Yes, it is 100%. Because when you are learning to speak, you are not seriously just try to remember, just try to repeat it, or just try to listen from someone and then remember and speak out. Is not seriously success. So you have to learn from beginning after English, like the vowel, consonant, how to pronounce, how to do the tongue, how to do the teeth, or you can say the accent that you are going to speak, like sound that you used to pronounce. So that's why I'm start showing you from beginning that you can start know about the vowel and consonant first, and you try to read and you try to pronounce with their letter, and then you know about the word that made from, that start from, and you know about the sentence that start from, and you will know about the paragraph that start from, and then you try to know more about the kind of the grammar. You'll be success of your speaking in English. Alright? So, I will show you more, but please comment below if you want to get another video that related to English major. And I would like to apologize if I get a mistake without paying attention. But it is seriously, I'm going to show from my experience that I am used to have an experience, or we can say I got an experience from my student that I have been teaching for a long time ago. So thank you guys for watching. If you have a question, just comment below and I will try my best to show your program, or I will answer your question as possible. I see that. Alright? Thank you guys.